So the topic I want to present is sums of series, which can actually be a quite easy topic if you understand what you're seeing, right? So summing series of numbers. Summing a series of numbers can be quite easy. We can understand the arithmetic series formula and its components. As you can see, it's got some weird symbols there, but I'm getting over them so we can understand what they mean and what they do. So the components. On the far left, we can see sigma, which means that you just sum numbers. You can see two little symbols on top and on the bottom of it, which just means the numbers you are the series of numbers you're going to be using, like from 1 to what number. A1, which basically means the sums of series or the result of the the result of solving the equation. So n, you can see n multiple times in the formula, and just means like the position of the number. The first number is in position 1, the second number is in position 2, etc., etc. So A1 means it's the first number of the series, which if we are using this formula right here, it's always going to be 1. So A1 is going to be always 1. And AN, which means the number at the nth place, which as we can see, n is going to be the last number of the series, so AN is the last number of the series. So finding the sum of the series. Here we have a problem. It says find the 31st partial sum of the arithmetic sequence with terms an equals a half times n plus 1. This little formula, you're just going to need it to find the components of the general formula. So here we have find a1. So with that little formula that they gave us, you're going to find a1. So you just insert, as we said, the first term in this series is going to be 1. You insert 1 in a1, you simplify, you solve, and in the end a1 it's equal to 3 over 2. For the second step, you're going to find a35. Remember that n is going to be the last term of the series, so in this case it's 35. We insert it into that little formula they gave us to solve it, and in the end, after solving and simplifying, we get that number. So now that we have a1 and an, we can insert them into the general formula, so we can get a1, which is the result of the whole problem. So n, as always, is 35 in this case because it's the last number of the series. We simplify a1 plus an, we multiply, and in the end a1 is 350. So as a conclusion, the 35th partial sum in this problem is equal to 350. As you can see, it can be a little bit confusing, but if you keep practicing, it gets quite easy. So thank you for your attention.